All right. A friend of mine had a tile saw, like a flatbed tile saw that dipped, where the blade dips in water. And I don't have that anymore. He had to take it back for a job. So I have to finish my bathroom, and I wanted to do it on a shoestring budget. So I got one of these angle grinders, and I just attached a tile saw blade you can get from Home Depot or Menards for like 15 bucks. It's right here. And as long as you have a handy Windex bottle with water in it, and you constantly spray your blade and your tile, you should be pretty good. And then you just cut it like so.
That's maybe loud.
Just like that. See? Cuts it just fine. Right, that's it.
Good job if you turned your volume down or off during that. Okay, bye.